Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to find the two objective marked packages in Ready or Not 213 Parkoms. The first objective is on your right. There's a building, you just need to enter it. Make sure that there's no enemy and you can take the package easily. Be careful when entering this building, make sure that there's no enemy. If there's an enemy, you need to shoot that enemy fast. Also be careful in this part, there's a room on your right. The objective is on your left. You just need to go to a table and grab it. Look, it's so easy. This is the first objective. Now we're going to get the second objective. First you need to get out from this building. I like to use the NVG in this mission because it is so dark. You can use a flashlight too if you want. Be careful that sometimes there is an enemy outside, but mostly outside is clear. We go upstairs. You'll find a house just like a tent. The location of the Meth package is in that house on the second floor. You will face some enemies here. Be careful. The Meth package is on the second floor. Watch your left corridor when entering this area. Okay, the second objective is inside the room next to your right. You'll find the objective here. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope that this video will be useful for you.